to make a playlist from Spotify Liked Songs 2024. And this is with a huge 23,000 song collection. First, you need to know that even if you are a premium Spotify user, there is a 10,000 song limit to playlist. Secondly, dragging and dropping 10,000 songs at once will cause devices to go bonkers, so do not do that. Now, you need to create enough playlists to contain however many songs you have. For my 23,000 songs, I had to make 3 playlists. 2 of them held perfectly 10,000 tracks apiece, and a third for the extra songs and future songs to grow. Remember, 10,000 songs is the limit no matter what. Now make some new playlists in Spotify. You know how to do that. And then go to your liked songs. Click on the first song and scroll down until you've got around 500 tracks. This way your computer's brain won't explode from trying to do too many. Hit the shift button and then click on that 500th song, which will highlight all 500 songs. Drag and drop the bunch into your newly created playlist. If you're brave, you can try to do more, but it may cause errors or crashes or only paste some of the songs you selected. I had good luck with doing 500 songs at a time, and then occasionally I would get brave and do 1,000. Trying to do all 10,000 at once will lead to a bunch of messed up playlists that are either jacked up and won't open, or they'll have like random 100 or 700 songs out of the 10,000 that you try to move. Not good. You can easily keep track of where you've left off by looking at the numbers beside each of your liked songs. They are in chronological order, so just keep track of where you're at if you have 20, 30,000 songs to keep up with. I had a late night. I had a lot of work to do to make these 3 massive shareable playlists, but I feel like it was worth it to have all my best songs, all the best songs to shuffle through of every song I've ever liked. And you can share it with people, your friends, family, your YouTube subscribers. I've got 1,384 hours of music. That's 58 days of music. Please like and subscribe and let me know how much music that you like on Spotify.